We're the Transport Bandits. Welcome back. I'm Cheryl, and this is Jeff, Tennessee, or Mr. Dimples. So we are going to show you in this coming up video our trip through Arizona and New Mexico. And I hope you enjoyed our little ride along, because we are the fun side of RV transport. We'll stop and show you all the little fun things that you can do when you're deadheading or taking your 15 or 30 minute break.
And we did stop at a lot of fun places this time around, and we had a great time. But I just passed one place back here in Arizona that I thought would be a blast, but for some reason Cheryl didn't really want to stop there. It was called Pete's. Turn the camera. It was called Pete's Topless Entertainment. Now I thought, this will be an entertaining place to stop. It's out here in the boondocks. But Cheryl didn't think so.
We're not stopping at Pete's Topless Entertainment.
Maybe next time.
Yeah, keep the hope alive, honey. Enjoy this beautiful scenery that I'm going to get of Arizona and New Mexico and on our way back.
Right.
This is West Texas, west of Amarillo. Headed to Arizona this morning. Very flat, Jeff. Seen the billboards for miles now, and check this place out for 15 minutes. 5 acres of truck parking. Okay, we're gonna head into Cline's Corner. Let's check it out.
Guys, you saw this on a previous video. Check this out. Does this guy look familiar to you?
Wall drug.
Yeah, he does look familiar.
I think he's stalking you, Jeff.
I think so too.
He looks a little shady anyway. What you got there?
Possibly a mini me.
Okay, we're coming into Albuquerque. We have to be really careful we don't make a wrong turn. I've seen a lot of documentaries when I was young featuring a rabbit who made a wrong turn in Albuquerque. We're leaving the Hopi Travel Plaza in Holbrook, New Mexico, where we stayed the night. What you're seeing is Saguaro Cactus, and they are native to the Arizona, Sonoran Desert in Arizona. Hey, welcome back. We're the Transport Bandits. I'm Cheryl, or Tennessee.
I'm Mr. Dimples, and we just dropped off in Arizona, Phoenix. And it was the easiest drop off I've ever seen.
Yeah, it was a really little place, and the guy was like, yeah, okay, just drop it.
Unhook it here.
Give me your papers.
Unhooked it, he signed the papers, and we left.
And we're out.
They didn't even look at it.
It was all right. So, yeah, we're on our way out of Arizona now. So that was a great drop off, and we're headed back now, and we'll probably be doing a reset for a while longer. But in the meantime, enjoy this beautiful scenery that I'm going to get of Arizona and New Mexico and on our way back.
Right. Now, I've got something to say, all right? I know you guys are watching. We see the number of views on the video. Some of you have disappointed me. And you've disappointed Mr. Bones. Because you have not subscribed yet. Now, Cheryl saw that a bunch of people watched her video yesterday that didn't subscribe. And, I don't know, she must have cried for 6 hours. She cried herself to sleep last night.
Yeah, I was really sad. You didn't subscribe. Subscribe.
So, I just want to ask you, please subscribe, because, you know, I want to be able to get some sleep tonight. All right?
Yeah.
I need some sleep.
Hey, check out this cool scenery. horses. They're coming right up. Watch for the tree, in the tree line, right here. Wild horses. Here we go. I'm gonna roll my awesome. Wild horses. Hey, babies. There's some wild horses right here. Look right here. Wild horses. Right there. On the side of the road. Look at that. Wild horses. I don't know if Mr. Bones likes wild horses or not. You know why?
You don't like nothing.
Why?
He's dead. Well, it's a beautiful Arizona evening. It's going to be getting dark soon, and we'll be passing into New Mexico, so we'll catch you on the flip side. Good night, all you bandits out there. Take a look at that. That's what you call a beautiful ending to a great day. Hey, Jeff. Hey.
Guess what?
Hey, what?
700 subscribers!
Hey, guess what?
What?
I know.
Thank you, everybody!
Yep, thanks, everybody.
We're on our way to 1,000. Come on, if you haven't subscribed yet, make this number 1,000. Come on, guys.
Just reach over there and subscribe. Let's get it to 1,000.
Yay! Awesome, dude. Thanks.
Thank you.
Transport Bandits, out.